Today we are reviewing the Charmast W1056 10400mAh battery power bank. Before we start, the link for this product will indeed be in the video description down below if you do want to go and check out more information on this product at the end of this video. I've got to say, the box is quite simplistic, minimalistic in fact, with only an outline depiction of the Charmast power bank to the front. I happen to know that this particular power bank today does come in the black version, and to the back we do indeed have some contact information like the official website and contact support, etc. Inside the box, oh god, oh, might have broke it then. Oh, hey, what's that? Okay, so we've got a drawstring bag. Inside we have the power bank. Let's just place it to the side. Well heavy that, but yeah, we get a nice mesh drawstring bag, also with the Charmast logo to the side. Underneath, okay, we have a micro USB charge cable. What's this? Oh, you passed the test. Hope so. Not gonna blow up, is it? We got a service card, so yeah, we got contact details if you've got any problems. Service card, yeah, with a QR code. Yeah, you can scan that if you wish. Yeah, contact support. And what else? We have, ooh, very detailed. Yeah, we got a detailed instruction manual. Let's zoom back out. Super zing. Let's move all this to the side. And lastly, we do indeed, have that power bank. From a distance, you know what? It looks like a mobile phone. Yeah, it comes in very nice material. In fact, it's like matte black with gloss top detail. Back is matte black too, and yes, well, it's very well detailed. So that's the front. So to the right side, you can see we have a micro USB charge port. So yes, that micro USB is to charge this actual unit up. So no Type C, I'm afraid. The only thing we do have is we do have a Type C out port, two 3.0 USB outputs, and to that left, we have the power button with an LED screen to the front, which will tell you the power bank percentage, which is at 100%, which is great, and the output wattage. Is there anything else? No, but we do get the Charmast logo to the bottom. Hang on. And let's test it out, shall we? So as you can see, we are going to be using a Samsung S9 Plus today. It has got a big battery, so we're going to leave it on for 5 minutes and see what this power bank can do. So we're going to connect it with that Samsung supplied Type C cable. We're going to connect it to the output 1, which is the 3.0 USB. Okay, that's inserted. Let's plug it into the bottom of the phone. So as you can see, the battery percentage is at 16%. It has just turned 5:38. Let me just state 2 hours 4 minutes until fully charged, which isn't too bad. It's not too bad, to be honest. And we're going to see what 5 minutes can do. See if it gets it a good boost. So yes, we're around about 1.5 minutes in, and you can see that power bank has dropped 1%. You can see we're running at 5 volts, and that's running at an output of 2.1 amps, which is pretty good. So yeah, 5 minutes have passed. Let's turn the brightness up, and what have we got? Okay, so it's boosted the phone over 5 minutes up to 19%. Now, as stated, it will take around 2 hours 1 minute for full charge using this particular power bank, which is not too bad, to be honest. I mean, I've had power banks in the past before which take around 3.5 hours, so it's pretty good. Now I've lost 2% on the power bank, again running at outputs of 5 volts, 2.4 amps. Now the question is, can you run 2 items at the same time? Well, let's go ahead and connect an S8 mobile phone. We are again going to use that USB 3.0 port. And do we get a charge? Yes, we can indeed charge 2 mobile phones using the one power bank, which is great. So I'm guessing you can use that Type C for a third option too. So let's see the percentage, see if it's dropped. Nope, you will still get a full charge. That takes around 1 hour 59 minutes. So we're at 21% now with this S9 Plus. And with the S8, it will take 1 hour 32 minutes for full charge. So not bad charging for 2 items at the same time. And our power bank has now increased. It is now running on 2 items, 5 volts at 3.0 amps. Now yeah, you can run 3 items at the same time. Let's take both devices off just for now. And let's see if this little baby can charge up a laptop. I very much doubt it, but let's see. So on this particular laptop, we've got a Type-C charge port, so let's plug it in. We're going to plug it to the USB 3.0 on this Charmast power bank. Nope, doesn't work on the laptop, but you can indeed recharge this power bank using a laptop, a normal type plug, or a USB wall socket. It's the only last question, especially for those gamers, is will this particular power bank work in line with a PS4 controller? Well, let's do the last test. Plugging in a basic USB into that 3.0 USB charge port, plugging it into the PS4 controller. Do we get anything? It is indeed charging the PS4 controller. I mean, this one's faulty at the moment, but it's still charging. And again, on that display, they're now outputting 5.0 volts and 2.0 amps. Fantastic. So yes, a 10,400 mAh battery. That ticks all the boxes. Yes, the power bank is indeed heavy, but it is rather slim too. But I'm guessing that you will definitely get around 2 to 3 full charges of, say, a Samsung S9 Plus from this Charmast W1056 mobile power bank. I was to rate this power bank today out of my usual rating out of 10. I've got to rate this Charmast W1056 a rating of 10 out of 10. Now guys, I will definitely leave a link for this Charmast power bank within that video description down below. Please go ahead and check that out. And if you like what you see, well, go get yours. And while you're there in that video description, please go ahead and smash that like button. Very much appreciate it if you subscribe to my channel today, making sure, yes, you hit that bell notification option so you guys stay updated on all my new uploads. We'll hope to see you guys on my very next review coming out this week. I hope you stay tuned for that. And well, thanks for watching. Peace!